Hello, today we will guide you through how to create Exness account on mobile. To get started, open the Exness app on your mobile device. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can clearly see the main welcome screen. If this is your first time opening it, take a moment to look over the options on the screen so you can easily follow along. Once the app is open, tap on Register. This will begin the account creation process and take you to the Sign Up section. If you do not immediately see the Register option, check the main screen carefully, as it is usually placed where new users can easily access it. Next, select your country or region. This step is important because it helps set up your account according to the correct location and available services. After choosing the correct country or region, tap on the small box at the bottom right. This box is typically used to confirm that you agree and want to move forward, so make sure your selection is correct before continuing. After that, tap on Continue. This takes you to the next stage of the registration process. At this point, the app may load a new screen with additional account setup details, so give it a second if needed. Now enter your email address and follow the on-screen procedure. Carefully type your email so there are no mistakes, since this may be used for account verification or future login access. As you move through the prompts on your screen, simply complete each requirement shown in the app. It is a good idea to read each prompt carefully before tapping ahead, especially if the app asks for confirmation or verification. There is also another way to create the account. If you prefer not to continue with the standard email registration process, you can use the alternative method shown in the app. This can be helpful if you want a quicker setup experience or if you're already signed in on your device with another account option supported by the app. To do that, go back to the login page. You can usually return by tapping the back arrow or using your phone's navigation controls. Once you are back on the login screen, look for the faster sign-in options. From there, tap on Sign In with Google for fast creation. This option can speed things up because it uses your Google account details to help set up access more quickly. Just choose the correct Google account on your phone and follow the prompts that appear on screen. And that's it. You now know how to start creating an Exness account on mobile using either the regular registration method or the Google sign-in option.